Okay, look at bedtime. Coco sits there and she hugs right up to her her heater. Hi, Coco. She cuddles right up to it. She loves it. This beautiful cookie, and that's where he sits. Right? He likes to sit beside the other birdies. Right? And Rue hangs on to the bitter end, don't you, sweetie? As soon as the lights off, she's back in the corner. Instantly. And you just want attention the whole time, right? This is where she gets most attention that she likes from me. I pat her, tell her how beautiful she is. What else do I do? Pat her and pat her and pat her. She's eating her treats. She likes 80 cakes and nuts at bedtime. This one does most of her eating at night. She tells me off, though. Are you telling me off? Are you telling me off? Interesting, because she's got a bald cheek. Right? So we gotta look at the other side. Why do you have a bald cheek? Because you got a bit of a skin infection. I don't know why. This is what Kiwi likes. This is what Kiwi likes. And then Coco's upset. And Rue stares at us. What do you do, Cookie? You get settled in for the night, eh? You do kisses, right? Kisses? Lots of kisses, right? Mwah. Are you my baby? Are you my baby? Yes. She's my baby. Good night, everybody. Good night. Good night, Rue. Beautiful.